Hello all, in this video we are going to learn about examples of unrestricted grammar. In last few videos we have learned about context sensitive grammar and unrestricted grammar, and in which we have learned that in both of these types of grammars we can have more than one non-terminals or combination of terminal non-terminals on the left hand side of the production. Such kind of grammars we have not seen. We have seen regular grammars, we have seen context-free grammars, which allow us to put only single non-terminal on the left-hand side of the production. But context-sensitive grammars and unrestricted grammars allow us more flexibility. And that is why such grammars uh, generates the language which are more complicated, which cannot be generated by context-free grammars or regular grammars. So let us try to understand how to construct a grammar for context-sensitive language or unrestricted language, or we normally say recursively enumerable language. So first of all, let us look at the definition of unrestricted grammar. We have seen, just let us revise it. The form of production will be alpha to beta, where alpha must contain at least one non terminal. मतलब आपके प्रोडक्शन की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एटलीस्ट एक नॉन टर्मिनल होना चाहिए, एंड अल्फा बीटा बोथ बिलोंग्स टू वी यूनियन सिग्मा होल स्टार. इट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे एक सिंगल नॉन टर्मिनल होना चाहिए, और देन यू कैन पुट एनी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टर्मिनल नॉन टर्मिनल ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन, ऑन राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन. देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. द ओनली रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज आपके प्रोडक्शन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सिंगल नॉन टर्मिनल होना चाहिए. So let us try to understand how to construct grammar for the given language. Suppose the given language is a raised to n, b raised to n, c raised to n, such that n greater than or equal to 0. We have learned that we can't construct push down automata for this language, and that is why this language is not context free. And since it is not context free language, we can't write context free grammar of this language. But of course we can write context sensitive grammar as well as unrestricted grammar of this language. So let us learn how to write unrestricted grammar of this language. Now, if I directly give you the answer, if I directly give you the grammar of this language, then probably you might not understand that how that grammar has been constructed. So instead of directly giving you the grammar, what I will do, I will take a string, I will take an example of one string, and by taking that example we will try to construct the grammar. In the journey of constructing the grammar, I may write few wrong productions. What I'm saying, in the journey of constructing the grammar, I may write few wrong production. Then I will explain you that why the production which I have written is wrong, why we should not write this production, and how to improve and how to write the correct productions, right? And at the end, eventually we will end up with the correct grammar. Basically, why I'm using this approach, because if in exam any unseen or any new language is given to you, then of course you have to apply this method, because on the first shot you cannot write the correct grammar of the given language if the language is totally new to you. So you have to apply this method. So let us learn. So the language is a raised to n, b raised to n, c raised to n, such that n greater than or equal to 0. ये लैंग्वेज किस तरह की स्ट्रिंग्स प्रोड्यूस करती है? Equal number of a's followed by equal number of b's followed by equal number of c's. So let us take one string of the language. Suppose the string of the language is a, b, 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 c, c, c. Suppose I want to generate this string from the grammar. So to generate this string, what productions I need? So let us assume that I will use non-terminal capital A for generating symbol small a. I will use non-terminal capital B for generating symbol small b. I will use non-terminal capital C for generating symbol small c. Right? Now we want n number of A's and n number of B's and n number of C's, where n can be anything. Right? So I need a recursive grammar. So what I will do, I will write it like this: S2 A, B, C, S. Sorry, I should write this thing in the grammar part. I should write S2 ABCS or ABC, right? So what it will do, using these two productions, you can generate any number of capital A's, capital B's and capital C's, राइट। तो मेरी स्ट्रिंग में जितने ए बी और सी है उतने मैं कैपिटल ए बी सी जनरेट कर दूंगा, उसके आगे हम बाद में सोचते हैं। तो यहाँ पर ये जो मैंने स्ट्रिंग एग्जांपल में ली हुई है उसमें 3 ए है, 3 बी है और 3 सी है। सो हाउ कैन आई जनरेट 3 ए बी एंड सी फ्रॉम दिस टू प्रोडक्शन? सो आई विल अप्लाई एस टू ए बी सी एस, देन व्हाट आई विल डू, I will replace this S. I will replace this S again by ABCS. So I will say ABCS. Now again what I will do, I will replace this S by simply ABC because we want 3 A's, 3 B's and 3 C's. So I will replace it by ABC. Right? But here the problem is we needed 3 A's together, 3 B's together, 3 C's together, और यहाँ पर 3 A, 3 B, 3 C साथ में नहीं है, separated है। So now we have to combine all A's together, we have to combine all B's together and we have to combine all C's together। तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? चलो पहले A के लिए काम करते हैं। Let us combine all A's together। तो इस पहले A को concentrate करो। What I will do, I will swap these two symbols। यहाँ पर CA है, I will swap it and I will make it AC। Are you getting me? पहले क्या था, यहाँ पर CA था। What I am doing, I am simply swapping these two non-terminals and I will write AC। So I have to add this production here, that CA will be replaced by AC, right? अब ये है BA, तो इस A को मुझे इसके साथ लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Of course again I have to swap, तो ये BA will be swapped and it will become AB। So I will write AB here। So I have to add that production also, that BA will be swapped and it should become AB। तो ये दो A साथ में आ गए। अब इस वाले A को हमें इसके साथ ले जाना है, तो क्या करेंगे? अगेन ये जो CA है we will swap it and it will make it AC, और वो प्रोडक्शन हमने ऑलरेडी ऐड कर दिया है। So let us make it AC। Then BA, so that will be swapped and it will make AB, और वो प्रोडक्शन ऑलरेडी है, so I will write AB। Then again CA, it will become AC। Then again BA, it will become AB, right? So using these 1, 2, 3 and 4 productions, we are able to put all A's together। Now what we want, we want all B's together and we want all C's together। तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, ये जो मान लो ये वाले B को पहले प्रोसेस करते हैं, तो क्या करूंगा मैं, ये जो CB है अगर मैं उसको स्वैप कर दूं, BC कर दूं, तो मेरे दो B साथ में आ जाएंगे, right? So I will swap this CB, it will become BC and I have to add that production। So CB will be swapped and it should become BC, right? Okay, now this CB should be swapped and it should become BC। So मैंने उसे swap कर दिया। Now this CB should be swapped, it should become BC। So मैंने उसे भी swap कर दिया। That's it। So using these productions, we are able to generate equal A's, equal B's, equal C's, capital A's, capital B's, capital C's, and then using these swapping productions, we are able to combine all A's together, we are able to combine all B's and all C's together। अब मुझे क्या करना है? What I will do, you might be thinking that sir we should simply write A2 small a, B2 small b and C2 small c। So if I apply these productions, so I will simply get A, B, 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 C, C, C. What I'm doing, I'm using these three productions and I'm replacing this non-terminal capital A by small a, and similarly B, and for it is for C, and I'm able to generate the strings of this language. Now if I use this grammar, of course this grammar can generate each and every string of this language except null. We'll talk about null later, right? This grammar can generate every string of the language, but the problem is this is not the correct grammar of this language. Why? Because this grammar can generate few strings which are not in this language. Again, I'm saying this grammar is not correct grammar because this grammar can generate few strings which does not belong to this language. How this grammar can generate which wrong strings can be generated? Let me give you example. That what I will do, I will write S2 A B C S, then this S will be replaced by again A B C S, then this S will be replaced by simply ABC. Now instead of applying this swapping operation, one can apply directly these operations. One can replace capital A by small a, B by small b, and C by small c. Then one will be able to generate this string A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. And this string is not a valid string in our language. This string does not belong to our language. Hence, this grammar is not correct grammar. So to make it correct, we have to add few productions. This logic will not work, right? तो क्या logic लगाना चाहिए? So let us backtrack. This logic is wrong, but logic up to this productions was correct. So we'll keep up to this point. So I am removing this. Okay. To understand uh, the logic, so first of all, what should I do? यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं ये ऑर्डर मैटर करता है. ए के बाद ही बी जनरेट होना चाहिए और बी के बाद ही सी जनरेट होना चाहिए. तो इस ऑर्डर को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए मैं क्या करता हूँ? Suppose I am replacing this non-terminal a. Suppose I am replacing this non-terminal a by small a, right? So what I am doing, I am replacing non-terminal a by small a, and rest of the thing is as it is. So I have to add that production that non-terminal a will be replaced by small a. Then to maintain this ordering, what I will do, that if small a capital A is there, then and then it should be replaced by small a, right? What I am saying, that if small a capital A is there, then it should be replaced by small a. So I have to add that production also. Small a capital A is there, then it should be replaced by small a. Again, I can apply that production. If small a capital A is there, then it should be replaced by small a. So S2 A, B, 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 C, C, C. Then what should we say? If small a capital B is there, then it should be replaced by small b, right? So small a capital B should be replaced by small b. What we are doing here, we are looking at the context of the non-terminal. What here we are saying, that if the left context of non-terminal is non-terminal a is small a, then it should be replaced by a. What here we are saying, that if the left context of non-terminal b is small a, then it should be replaced by small b, right? So this small a capital B will be replaced by small b. Then what should we do? Small b capital B should be replaced by small b. So small b capital B should be replaced by small b. So small b capital B will be replaced by small b. Again small b capital B will be replaced by small b. Then small b capital C should be replaced by small b capital C should be replaced by small c, right? So this will be replaced by BC. Now small c capital C should be replaced by small c small c. So small c capital C should be replaced by cc. So let me do that here, cc. And last again small c capital C, it should be replaced by small c. So now you can see that we are able to generate this string triple A, triple B, triple C. And these all these productions maintain the order कि A के बाद ही B आए और B के बाद ही C आए. So again you might be thinking that this grammar is correct grammar, and again my answer is no, this grammar is not correct, because still this grammar can generate the wrong string which we had seen just before. Let me show you. What I will do, I will take S to ABCS, then I will replace this S by ABCS, then again I will replace this S by, let's say, ABC. Then what I will do, I will apply here that this capital A will be replaced by small a, right? So let me write it here only. Capital A will be replaced by small a. Then small a capital B will be replaced by small b according to this production. So small a small b. Then small b capital C should be replaced by small c according to this production. ये जो है, right? So small b small c. Once again, what I will do, I will replace this capital A by small a, और यहाँ पर हमने जैसे ये small abc जनरेट किया, अगेन वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी small abc जनरेट हो जाएगा. अगेन I will replace this capital A by small a, अगेन यहाँ पर वापस small abc जनरेट हो जाएगा. अब मतलब ये ग्रामर गलत है, लेकिन इतना करने से मुझे क्या पता चला, इफ यू क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व, तो यहाँ पर मिस्टेक कहाँ हुई, दैट ABC यहाँ पर मिस्टेक कहाँ हुई, इफ आई रिस्ट्रिक्ट दिस सेकेंड and third A, listen to me carefully, if I restrict this second non-terminal A and third non-terminal A by small a, if I restrict this non-terminal A, second and third non-terminal A, by replacing it to the to small a, then the further ABC string will not be generated. It means what I am saying, that I must allow first non-terminal A to be replaced by small a, but I must restrict all non-terminal A which are not at first position to be replaced by small a. If I can have such restriction, then the generation of this wrong string ABC will be prevented. So how I can do that thing? So what I am saying, can we assume F here? I am simply changing my grammar. What I am doing, I am calling this S as A1, S1. So S1 to ABC, S1, ABC, and I am adding one more production, and that production is S2 FS1. Closely have a look at this production. What I am doing, S2 FS1. So you can think here that I have taken this production S2 FS1 here, and from S1 according to this I have generated triple A, triple B and triple C. Malab this F is there, and now what I am doing, I am going to replace this FA by small a. What I will do, I am going to replace this FA by small a. पहले हमने लिखा था सिर्फ कैपिटल A should be replaced by small a, but now what I am changing, I will replace this FA by small a. So this FA has been converted into small a, and then you can understand that how this string triple A, triple B, triple C has been generated. But if I do that thing here, so S to FS1, and from S1 we have generated ABC. Let us see whether this wrong string can be generated or not. So what I will do, I will replace this FA by small a. So it will become A, B, C, capital A, capital B, capital C, A, B, C. Now this small a, capital B will be replaced according to this production by small a, small b. This small b capital C will be replaced according to this production by small b small c. Then what? क्या इससे आगे बढ़ पाएगा? Can this non-terminal A be replaced by small a? No, it cannot be replaced. Why? Because here we have written this production. What this production say that अगर लेफ्ट कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ नॉन टर्मिनल ए इज एफ, मतलब अगर नॉन टर्मिनल ए की लेफ्ट में नॉन टर्मिनल एफ है, देन एंड देन इट शुड बी रिप्लेस बाय स्मॉल ए. लेकिन यहां पर इस कैपिटल ए के लेफ्ट में कैपिटल एफ नहीं है. इट मींस दिस capital A will not be replaced by small a, and if this cannot be replaced by small a, we will not be able to generate further string, and hence generation of this wrong string will be stopped, and hence this is my correct grammar. Okay, one string is left. We will be able to generate all combination, all this ABC string, but we will not be able to generate null from this grammar. So to generate null, simply I have to add one more production as to null, right? As to null. That's it. Okay, so this is my grammar. Now you might be thinking that we have taken only this string triple A, triple B, triple C. What if 4A, 4B, 4C string has been given to us? The answer is, of course, this grammar can generate 4A, 4B, 4C, or else if you take 5A's, 5B's and 5C's, any number of A, any string that belong to this language, this grammar will be able to generate it, and any string that does not belong to this language, this grammar will not generate those strings. You can check it at your home. Thank you. Thank you very much.